Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered how scientists can know the exact recipe of a piece of metal? How do they know precisely what elements are inside and how much of each? One of the most powerful tools they use is called optical emission spectroscopy, or OES for short. It's a fascinating technique that turns a tiny spark into a wealth of information. So, how does it all work? It sounds complex, but the basic idea is quite simple, and it all comes down to making atoms glow. Let's break it down into a few steps. First, we take a sample of the material we want to analyze. A powerful electrical spark is then applied to this sample. This jolt of energy heats a tiny part of the material to thousands of degrees, causing the atoms within it to become excited. Think of it like giving the atoms a huge burst of energy. Now, these atoms can't stay excited forever. They need to relax and return to their normal state. To do this, they release that extra energy in the form of light. Here's the most important part: each chemical element releases light at very specific colors, or wavelengths. This pattern of colors is like a unique fingerprint. Iron has its own light fingerprint. Copper has its own, completely different fingerprint. No two elements are the same. A special instrument called a spectrometer then collects all this light. It acts like a very precise prism, separating the light into all its individual colors. A detector inside then measures how bright each specific color is. Finally, a computer analyzes this information. By looking at which colors are present, it can tell us exactly which elements are in the sample. And by measuring the brightness of each color, it can determine the precise concentration, or how much of each element is there. Why is this technique so important? Its applications are everywhere. In the metal industry, OES is crucial for quality control, ensuring that steel and other alloys have the exact right composition to be strong and reliable. It's also vital in recycling, helping to quickly sort different types of scrap metal. In short, optical emission spectroscopy is a powerful method where we zap a sample with energy, watch the unique colors of light it emits, and use those colors as fingerprints to identify what it's made of. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful and want to see more science broken down into simple terms, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel. Your support really helps us create more content. See you in the next one.